Hello everyone. In the previous chapter, we studied equipment asset management. Next, we will study Chapter 4, Management of the Use and Maintenance of Process Equipment. Section 1, Process Equipment Use and Maintenance. Correct use, careful maintenance, and scientific repair of process equipment are essential for keeping the equipment in good technical condition, ensuring long-term safe and economical operation, and achieving optimal economic benefits. This section is divided into 3 parts. Equipment use procedures. Management system for equipment use. Requirements and content for equipment maintenance. Part 1, Equipment use procedures. The chemical industry is a process industry. The equipment is large and complex. Training and technical education for equipment operators are required, including: first, training on equipment structure, performance, safety operations, and maintenance requirements. Second, technical and safety education at 3 levels within the company: factory level, workshop level, and team level. Third, operators having received the necessary technical training must pass exams on technical knowledge and maintenance skills. Before the equipment is officially used, maintenance preparation work must be done. For example, first, prepare equipment maintenance procedures. Second, prepare lubrication cards for the equipment. Third, provide necessary maintenance tools, equipment, and proper lubricants. Fourth, conduct a comprehensive inspection. What are the basic requirements for equipment use and maintenance? First, equipment users must train operators. Particularly, before operating the equipment, the special operators must obtain a safety operation certificate, corresponding to the type of equipment they operate. Second, operators must understand the 4 understandings and 3 skills, as well as equipment lubrication knowledge. Part 2, Management System for Equipment Use. Establish and improve the management system for equipment use. The equipment usage system includes a system for operating equipment with certificates, a responsibility system for positions, process operation procedures, equipment operation procedures, a system for dedicated machines and responsibilities or machine repair contracts, equipment inspection and evaluation mechanisms, and a shift handover system. Next, I will introduce them one by one. First, Certificate-Based Equipment Operation System. Certificate-based operation is a fundamental requirement to ensure correct equipment use. It is also an important prerequisite for safe production. Second, Position Responsibility System. The Position Responsibility System includes: first, equipment operators must adhere to the designated person and equipment and operate with a valid certificate systems. They must strictly follow the 4 requirements, 5 disciplines, and equipment operation and maintenance procedures. Operators must correctly use and carefully maintain equipment. Second, daily equipment inspections must be carried out, and records must be maintained. Lubrication must be performed, coupled with pre-shift oiling, post-shift cleaning, wiping, and oiling. Third, master the basic requirements of the 5 understandings and 5 skills. Ensure daily maintenance, weekly cleaning, and regular maintenance tasks. As previously mentioned, the 5 understandings refer to: understanding production processes, understanding technical principles, understanding equipment structure, understanding properties of hazards, understanding emergency procedures. The 5 skills refer to: master production operations, master anomaly analysis, master equipment inspection, master risk identification, master emergency response. The 4 requirements are orderliness, cleanliness, lubrication, safety. The 5 disciplines are: first, adhere to equipment safety operation procedures or work standards. Second, adhere to equipment cleaning and maintenance regulations. Third, adhere to equipment shift handover inspection regulations. Fourth, adhere to equipment accident reporting procedures. Fifth, adhere to equipment management standards. Third, shift handover system, to ensure continuous and smooth operation. Chemical enterprises typically establish a shift handover system for production teams. It is generally required that the handover personnel arrive 30 minutes before the shift to conduct a preliminary inspection. The handover procedure is carried out verbally according to the position. The handover personnel from both sides confirm the content as needed. Both parties sign and confirm the handover in the logbook. Main handover contents include process, equipment, sanitation, tools, and records. Final checks and sign-offs are required. Fourth, equipment management goals and evaluation for production teams, to ensure the smooth completion of equipment use and maintenance management. Enterprises typically establish equipment management goals for production teams and conduct evaluations. Fifth, the three defining system. What is the three defining system? It involves designating a person, specific equipment, and job responsibilities. The purpose of the three defining system is to ensure that each piece of equipment has a dedicated person for operation, maintenance, and responsibility. The implementation method of the three defining system is to establish related procedures. It divides equipment into precision, large, heavy-duty, rare, and general equipment. This system is managed at different levels. The advantage of a three-level system is clear responsibility, familiarity with mechanical performance, mastery of operating techniques, efficient use of equipment, and full maintenance of machinery and equipment. Earlier, we introduced the equipment usage procedures and systems. Next, we will cover Part 3, Equipment Maintenance and Care Knowledge. This is the key section of this chapter. Chemical equipment often operates in harsh environments for extended periods. Maintenance and care involve regular methods such as wiping, cleaning, lubrication, and adjustments. These methods are used to maintain the equipment. The goal is to preserve the equipment's performance and technical condition. The main maintenance tasks include daily inspections, periodic maintenance, routine checks, accuracy checks, lubrication of equipment, and maintenance of cooling systems. What are the requirements for equipment maintenance and care? The main requirements are: first, cleanliness; second, orderliness; third, proper lubrication; fourth, safety. What is the maintenance and care system for equipment? It's three-level maintenance system. Currently, the equipment maintenance system in enterprises implements a three-level maintenance system. This includes daily maintenance, Level 1 maintenance, and Level 2 maintenance. Daily maintenance is carried out by operators. Level 1 maintenance is mainly performed by operators, with assistance from maintenance personnel. Level 2 maintenance is mainly performed by maintenance personnel, with assistance from operators. The three-level maintenance system is a mandatory maintenance system primarily carried out by operators, focusing on both maintenance and repair. Specific requirements are shown in the diagram. The daily maintenance and care of equipment typically involves daily and weekly maintenance tasks. These are also referred to as daily maintenance and weekly maintenance. Here, we focus on daily maintenance. Daily maintenance is performed by the equipment operators during their shift. It involves carefully completing the 4 tasks before the shift, the 5 precautions during the shift, and the 4 post-shift tasks. Equipment is maintained according to the 3-level maintenance system. Additionally, equipment maintenance inspections should be carried out. Equipment inspections include daily routine checks, regular checks, and special inspections. Routine inspections are generally performed using the 5 checks: to listen, feel, check, look, and smell. Simple instruments can also be used to measure and observe changes in instrument readings. What should be done if an anomaly is detected? Immediate action should be taken. The workshop manager and equipment management personnel should be promptly informed. The incident should also be recorded in the operation log. Strictly adhere to the maintenance system during routine inspections. Carefully maintain and service the equipment. What do we mean by 5 designations and 3-level lubrication in maintenance? 5 designations: designated points, quality, quantity, personnel, and time. 3-level filtration: oil reception, barrel transfer, and oil addition filtration. The equipment commonly used for maintenance inspections includes vibration meters, sound level meters, and thermometers. The second type of equipment inspection is periodic inspection. Regular inspection is a planned preventive check. It is often combined with tasks like removing oil stains, cleaning, and changing oil for maintenance. The purpose of regular inspection is mainly to detect and record equipment abnormalities, damage, wear, and corrosion for further handling. The third type of equipment inspection is special inspection. Special inspection is carried out when equipment exhibits anomalies that require specific performance checks. Next, we will introduce the fourth part, regional maintenance of equipment. Regional maintenance or repair worker package system means that maintenance workers are responsible for equipment repairs within a specific production area. They work together with production operators on routine maintenance, inspections, periodic maintenance, planned repairs, and troubleshooting. They are also responsible for meeting performance targets such as equipment integrity and downtime in that area. In addition, for the usage and maintenance of precision, large, heavy-duty, and rare equipment, especially those critical assets that form the essential technical foundation for enterprise production, there should be the following special requirements, except for ensuring the technical conditions mentioned above. First, implement the 4 decisions to decide the user, the repair personnel, the operation and maintenance procedures, and the repair methods and spare parts. Second, pay special attention to the specific usage and maintenance requirements of precision, large, heavy-duty, and rare equipment. That concludes today's lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.